Selamat sejahtera Doktor. My name is Priyatashini Kanagmuthu. My matric number is AP190209. I am from CNI Group 6. Introduction. Creativity is come out something new to reality using imaginative ideas, while innovation is the application of a new product, service or mechanism. Coronavirus disease, or also known as COVID-19, is an infectious disease caused by a newly discovered coronavirus. The effect of COVID-19 pandemic on manufacturing industries is long-term and far-reaching. To recover from this COVID-19 pandemic, we should be creative and innovative to prevent the COVID-19 from increasing.
My name is Tan Yen Wei. I'm from Group 6. My matric number is AP190389. Today I want to present about our story, vision, mission, and objective. First, our story is the problem of workers take time for them to wait and refuse to use MySejahtera application to scan while they are entering their workplace. So, we decide to create Smart I-Bracelet as our product, which can help industry to reduce time and will record their help by entering to their workplace and make the work environment more friendly while facing the new norms. Our vision is we care everyone help by providing an excellent quality product and serve everyone by providing the fastest and good service. Our mission is to create a safe and good quality working environment by providing the new and high technology product to people and become a creative leader in the future. And last, our objective is saving time to scan MySejahtera when the industry have a large scale of worker. Second objective is ensure the worker to work in social distance and more secure while in work. The last objective is help to monitor symptoms. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Muhammad Amir Rahimi bin Muhammad Swahimi. My matrix number is AP190498. I will discuss about the design and cost. So, this SB2020 bracelet is made in 3 colors. There is gold for the top department, the silver for the middle department, and the black for lower department. The SB2020 weight are just only 32 gram. It is lightweight and easy to wear. It is built from front glasses. At the back is ceramic crystal black for censoring our kinetic powers, and then the body of this bracelet is made from aluminium. The display type is IPS LCD 300 bits. The size of the screen is 50mm times 15mm, and the thick of it is 10mm. The resolution is 248 times by 300 pixel. So the screen is made easy for the workers to see their temperature, their information from this bracelet. The sound speaker type is loudspeaker, so all the employees that wears this SB2020 can hear all the sound and easily to make social distancing. It has many sensors that can sensor our heart rate, GPS, and body temperature. It will be easy for the company to monitor the workers' temperature from day to day from each time. The battery not removable because it is using solar and kinetic energy. With kinetic energy, this bracelet will not have to charge it because easy for the workers. The cost of one bracelet is only 71 ringgit 12 cent. but it will be sold on the price of 150 ringgit. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Alian Rina binti Azume and my matric number AP190458. Contact tracing helps to deter the transmission of more infection by infected people by tracking back personal contact crucial to infection in the past. How does a digital contact tracing solution function? All contact between people that fall beyond the minimum distance recommended by the health authority over a substantial amount of time must be registered in order to be able to track contact change after a case of infection has become identified. Contacts in our smart I-Bracelet recorded using ultra-wideband sensor UW in digital contact tracing solution. It does not track people's movement but instead detect when two sensor drops below a given distance. The ultra-wideband sensor alert that user visually and audibly during work hour before interaction to get too close or to take long. UW sends and receives data at bandwidth of over 500 MHz at very low power spectral densities. UW use very short pulses of about 1 nanosecond, which allow it to measure distance with a high degree of accuracy. Next, the position of each worker are sent via control computer and data gathering server to warehouse logistic management server. Next, each employee takes smart I-Bracelet out of the charging station at the beginning of the work. It will automatically measure the worker's body temperature by using infrared technology. Smart I-Bracelet will vibrate and shows red light on the screen if the body temperature of the worker is too high. For example, the temperature is more than 37.7 Celsius. Smart I-Bracelet also tells employee by the color of the light. If the employee adheres to the physical minimum distance, the light of the smart I-Bracelet flash green. If the distance falls below the minimum, the smart I-Bracelet emits a first visual warning signal. The only thing that the wearer has to do is step back to ensure he or she is in a safe distance. Last but not least, if the employee were to be infected with COVID-19, then we can use this smart I-Bracelet to determine exactly which other employee he or she has been in contact with. So it will be easier to detect the person or worker from affected.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh dan selamat sejahtera. My name is Hishamuddin bin Hashim. My matric number is AP190310. Today I want to talk about the advantages. First is detect someone who is close to us less than 1 meter and it will be ringing if someone approach. Second is we do not need to scan My Sejahtera because the bracelet has on detector. Third is keep us update of our body condition such as body temperature and blood pressure. Next is adjustable size. This bracelet is suitable for everyone to wear regardless of age and gender. Next is waterproof, but this bracelet not water resistant and not suitable for swimming and diving. Next is this bracelet has GPS. The GPS serves as a direction indicator such as Waze application and Google Maps. Next is have SOS function if there is any emergency in the factory. Next is eco-friendly because it does not use material that can harm human and animal. Next is power. The bracelet use kinetic and solar energy. For example, when an employee waves his or her hand for 5 minutes, the battery will rise by 10%. With the use of these two sources of energy, this bracelet will last longer. And lastly is simple design and easy to use. This is because not everyone knows how to handle multifunctional electronic goods. Therefore, the creation of this bracelet will make it easier for employees to use it or not cause problem while working. Thank you.
My name is Nurul Fatiha Suhaimi. My matric number AP190160. After all advantages were mentioned earlier, there are also has limitations in our project that can be described. First one, Our smart I-Bracelet is not available for public users as it is very limited and made exclusively for industrial workers. Our group decided that SB2020 that we customize will help to fulfill the company objective and create a productive and healthy work environment for the employees during facing a pandemic of COVID-19. Secondly, the often issues of this bracelet is the accuracy issues. The temperature sensor, which is the temperature, will be not accurate when the users are exposed with the heat environment works and in extreme conditions work. Even though we are using infrared as the extremely powerful tool to detect body heat, but the accuracy can be error if the environment exposed with high humidity and able to cause the scanner to detect on a higher temperature. For an example, like a welders, machine engineer, building laborer, and many more. Thirdly, the smart eye bracelet also has high chances to get damaged, even though we are using alloy as the body. It is happened due to the high impact of any collision will happen in works. The protective layering and even screen are also easily broken and cracked if the user is incautious during works. Fourthly, the disadvantages of this technology is a limited battery life. This is because the portable solar chargers cannot even last it for 1 day. And to keep the smart eye bracelet functioning, the users need to do some motions to convert it as a kinetic energy. And maybe it will make an inconvenience for the some of the users. And if the workers forgot to recharge the bracelet, they will end up using a dead bracelet, which is the supervisor cannot detect them and label them as absentee workers. Lastly, the screen size is cluttered in a small space. When the users want to use apps, pressing the correct button may require an extra effort, especially if they have a big finger. Next, the visually also not be pleasing as the screen size is very small and not be convenient to those myopic
In
users.
conclusion, the Smart Eye Bracelet SB2020 will help the organization to know the health condition of their employees because they can easily detect employees that have been infected with this COVID-19 virus. To prevent the COVID-19 from spreading and also to increase the productivity of industries, organizations must provide their employees the Smart Eye Bracelet SB2020.